So hello everyone. In the previous video, we just made this app with app bar and body, and we just added an image. So I said in the next video, we will create the app, but just a little thing. I just want to have a discussion about the app widget structures. Okay, the widget trees and all the things that we have built so far. Just a quick recap and what we have built so far. Okay, so just have a look at the widget tree. So what happened here, like this is the thing. This is our preprocessor directive that you can say, like this is just importing stuffs from the material UI. Okay, then this is our main function, and in the main function, if I expand, it's saying that run app. It's just running your app, and there is a widget named as material app. Okay, so what we have in the first, we have a material app. Okay, so this thing, so this is our first layer of widget. In this material app, what we have a property like show debug banner false. So what it's doing, like it's just, there is a debug banner, if you guys remember, like a red banner is there, so it's just remove the banner. Okay, if I make it true, so you can just have a look at that. Just see, this is the banner. So what we are doing, we are just making this property false. Okay, and we have a child property inside our material app. What is that child property? We have a scaffold widget. Okay, what widget? We have a scaffold widget. If you guys remember from the second video, like scaffold is actually a white canvas that was that give us a canvas where we can draw our app. Okay, so what we have, a scaffold. Now one important thing, irrespective what app you are building, you will see that we will be using a material app and we will be using a scaffold. So it is this the structure that we have built here, like the widgets tree, like it is very important. Okay, so I will just ask you all to just give a little bit more attention to here and what is happening. Okay, so we have a material app in the first thing, which is giving us the basic app for us. Okay, so this thing, what happened, so the entire app thing, okay, the black app that is given us by our material app. Then we have a scaffold. Okay, what scaffolds give us? Scaffold is giving us this entire page. Okay, the white canvas, that is what scaffold is giving us. Then after in scaffold, what we have here, you can see like we have an app bar and a body. Okay, if I expand this, so you can see we have an app bar and a body, and we have a background color of the scaffold. Okay, so it's like a little bit shade of a gray, so we have a gray shade. Okay, that is a property, and we have one app bar and one body property. So we have an app bar property and a body property. Now in the app bar, if you just have a look, like if I expand the app bar, there are two things primarily. One is a text and one is icon. Okay, just if I remove the icon thing from here, just you can see, like if I run this thing, so there is actually the text, okay, which is saying that I am rich. So what is happening here, like we have an app bar and the app bar having a text property. Okay, a text widget. So if you see where we are right now, we are in the material app widget. This is the second layer. We have a scaffold in the material app. In that there are two main widgets, one is app bar and body. In the app bar there is a text widget. Okay, I think up to this it is clear to you, like it's the text widget which is in the title property. Now on that there is also a widget, like another tree, like that is going for the body property. If I expand the body property, you can see there is a center widget. What is the center widget? If you all remember, like center widget is a widget that centers everything. Okay, it will put everything on the center of the screen. Okay, so this is the center widget, or like wherever you put the widget, it will bring its child on the center of that thing. Okay, so we have a center widget, and in the center widget we have an image widget. Okay, we have an image widget which have a property of image, and we provide it with a network image. Okay, like this one. Okay, we give it a network image property. So just have a look at the tree that we develop, like a material app, then a scaffold, then an app bar, then a text, then there is a app bar, and there is also a body in the scaffold only. So in the app bar we have a text, and previously we also have an icon there, and we have a body, and we have a center in the body, and image, and a network image. You can just go through the app, like we can see here also, like we have a material app in which we build this thing. Like in that we have a white canvas, the scaffold kind of thing. There is the app bar and the body property there. in the app bar we can see there is a text there, so we have a text widget here. We use that text widget, and there is also a body property here. In the body there is an image which is centered to the screen, so we used a center property, and we used an image, and there is a network image which is providing this thing. I think this is clear, and no more confusion here. Like, and one thing, like the tree that we have drawn here, like, okay, the tree like structure, this thing is known as widget tree. Okay, it is nothing miraculous or nothing something imaginary. So it's just a trees of the widgets. Okay, when we just stuff all the widgets one by one, so this tree is known as a widget tree. I think I am clear up to this. So this is widget tree, and with this help of this widget tree we build this app. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. And please subscribe the channel if you like my content and like the video. And yeah, if you have any problem you can also comment it down below. Me and my team will try to reply you as soon as we can. Thank you.